Are you finding that your radiator hoses are on the edge, or you just want to jazz up your engine bay with some fresh rubber? Then check out these new silicone radiator hoses from Proflow. So unlike rubber, which fatigues and cracks and gets old and hardens over time, these 5mm thick polyester hoses will never have that issue. They're also cheaper to manufacture, which means they're cheaper for you to buy over the rubber, and they look nice and fresh and new. Being made from that 5mm thick reinforced polyester also means they're much more abrasion resistant, and they're also much stronger hoses. So you won't have to worry about them kinking or doing anything weird when they're in your engine bay getting exposed to all kinds of temperatures. The radiator hose kits come with the upper and lower hose in the box ready to go, and right now they're available for Ford and Holden engines, with Proflow adding more to the range every day. So if you need upgraded radiator hoses for your car, check out the range at proflow.com.au.